Hello ladies and gentlemen, very good evening all of you. This is me Abhishek Sharma and today I am very honored to share a biography, truly inspiration biography of truly legend. And also before I even start, I would like to thank Mr. Pradeep sir and whole entire NFL team who's given me this incredible opportunity, and I am very grateful to take this opportunity and share my words with all of you. And also today I am filled to proud to present a biography of truly legend, humble mindset and humble soul. Yes, I am talking about none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His whole life was an inspiration of every Indian and whole the human being. So without further delay, let me start. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, we also know as a missile man of India. He was born on 15 October since 1930 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He was belonged a Muslim humble family, and his father was a poor boatman, and he was also faced lots of financial condition in his childhood. But Dr. Kalam was a very hardworking and very diligent personality in his young age, and also he had a lot of deeply interest in physics and maths and science. To see his interest and also help his father and contribute his teacher, then he started to distribute newspaper and also continue his study. Then he was completed his graduation in physics. Then he pursued aerospace engineering, Madras Institution of Technology, MIT. Then he was wanted to become a fighter pilot, but due to some reason he didn't become a fighter pilot. Then he decided to contribute himself for the nation and serve ourselves for the nation, and he had a lot of knowledge in the technology field. Then he was worked on DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, and also he worked ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, where we give our best and contribute for the nation and also lead the development first Indian space launch bicycle SLV-3. We know that big contribute of Dr. Kalam. Not only that, he also gave a lots of missiles like Prithvi, Agni, etc. for our Indian generation. Not only after that, he also contribute of Pokhrana second nuclear test since 1991. After that, India become a nuclear country. Then he was under a very beautiful title. We also know them missile man of India. Only his contribution and dedication of the nation. Then after that, India government honored him very good awards like Padam Bhushan, Padam Vibhushan and Bharat Ratan. Those are one of the biggest civilization respected award in Indian nation. Then not only that, then he was started and become a 11th president of India since 2002, where he gave our best, and people is also know him the president of peoples. He become a president of the people. Then people is deeply interest of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and he always mentioned that the real words of his success is simplicity, his dedication, his hard work and regularity. It must be happen of the any success of business. After that, there are lot of book published Dr. Kalam by Wings of Fire, Indian 2020, etc. After the presidency, then he decided to follow his passion. Then he was joined teaching line and inspire a lots of students in his book. Wing of Fire and Indian 2020 inspire a lots of students and motivated a lot of students. Not only that, he also